This is a video I'm going to drop for everyone because it's super important you guys understand something. You guys need to understand what markets we're currently in. These are not markets where you're going to catch bangers on a daily fucking basis. Look at the daily time frame. Look at this. Price has been consolidating for almost a month and a half now. Ping ponging sideways, back and forth. Unless you're really experienced or understand how to navigate these types of markets, you're going to get wiped out. There's too many people trying to trade consolidation markets like we're currently in as if it's trending markets, as if we have a nice downtrend or as if we have a nice uptrend as we can see right here. No, right now, we are literally moving sideways, ping ponging back and forth. And if you can't identify this, if you can't understand this, this is how you end up taking these small paper cuts over and over and over again. And not only are you losing capital, blowing accounts, but mentally, right, your mental capital is also starting to weaken. You're starting to feel discouraged. You're starting to feel as if you don't know what you're doing. You're starting to feel as if you suck. You're starting to feel as if, okay, maybe this strategy isn't the one. Maybe I need to switch to another strategy. And then you're looking outwards for additional market data as if that's going to make a difference. No, right now, we're just in consolidation markets. So sit on your fucking hands and be patient and wait. Let me show you guys something. So, right now, for these current summer markets, we're consolidating, moving sideways. Okay. 2026. Let's go back and look at 2025. Let's see what happened in 2025 over the summer. Oh shit, look at this. From April, basically May, right? We'll just say May, the summer markets, May to the end of August, what's happening? Price is what? Consolidating, moving sideways. And then what happens once the summer markets are over? Price fucking rips the fuck up. It rips up and goes bullish again. Okay. Or at least it starts trending in the direction the market truly wants to go in. That's exactly what's happening right now. It is the calm before the storm. Right now, we're consolidating, prices ping ponging back and forth, and we're doing the best we can. We did a great job last month, right? I believe what 5, 6 wins, only 2 losses. We're navigating this back and forth consolidation the proper way, but don't get it twisted. These are very difficult markets we're currently trading right now, and if you can't identify that, then you're gonna fuck yourself. But all we're doing, we're sitting here taking smart setups, sitting on our hands, being patient, understanding there might be days, there might be a week where there might not be a good setup because of the market conditions we're in. But I'll much rather not trade than force a trade because I want to satisfy some sort of dopamine fix that I want to have of being in the market, partaking. Do I want to be a part of the market for shits and giggles or do I want to make money? Right? I'd much rather make fucking money. And all I'm waiting for is for these markets, not this one, but these markets to start coming back. Okay. And that's exactly what's going to happen within these next few weeks, right? At the very latest, by the end of August, going into September, we're going to break out this consolidation, whether if it's to the downside or the upside, and price is going to be absolutely fucking cooking. But until then, I'm sitting on my hands and waiting for only the best setups that make sense for markets such as these ones, where we're currently consolidating, right? So if we go down to a lower time frame, go down to the 1 hour, I know for a fact that right now, just like this morning, I'm not going to take a trade. Right, we're in this big ass bullish FEG. Price is still trying to find its feet after contract rollover. We haven't cleanly broke to the upside or cleanly broke to the downside just yet. So I'm just going to wait. I'm just not going to do anything. I'm not going to just sit here and stare at the chart and hope something materializes when I understand my strategy. I understand what market conditions we're currently in. And right now, it's the most important that we're taking only the best setups, the best trades, the true A plus setups. Otherwise, you're going to end up just getting fucked. The only 2 losses that we took last month was me trying to sell the bottom of the consolidation, anticipating price was going to break out of it instead of actually waiting for price to break out of it. I was out here trying to be a fucking fortune teller rather than just letting price tell me what it wants to do and then get in with the move once it's already been established. Guys, it's super, super important that you understand what I'm trying to tell you because this is something that happens every fucking summer. Price consolidates every fucking summer. And it's every summer people are getting absolutely clapped. And by the time Q3, Q4 roll around where the markets are actually solid, where it's actually trending and giving great opportunities, everyone's already mentally checked out and not able to capitalize on these opportunities because they just spent 2, 3 months just getting shit on because they're trying to force something. That's just not happening. Okay, so I hope you guys truly understand the words I'm trying to tell you right now. Feel free to go back and rewatch this video over and over again. It's only, what, 6 minutes? And truly, truly understand where we are currently in the market, truly understand your strategy, truly understand what adjustments have to be made in order to trade these types of markets. And if you don't understand what that looks like, feel free to reach out to me and we could talk about it. But don't put yourself in the situation that when the good markets are coming, because they're coming very soon, mentally you're checked out. Mentally, you can't capitalize on these opportunity because you just fucked yourself trying to force something that's not there.